Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm elevating the everyday with the dish that defines comfort, chicken paprikash. This is one of those dishes that's all about simple ingredients, slow cooking, and building deep, comforting flavor right in one pot. Let's get started. I'm starting with chicken leg quarters, cutting them down into thighs and drumsticks. Dark meat is perfect here as it stays juicy and gives you a richer, more flavorful sauce. Now I'm going to season the chicken with salt and pepper, and once I do one side, I'll turn it over and season the other side as well. Once the chicken is seasoned, set it to the side. Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot, and I'm going to heat that up with medium heat. Start by placing your chicken skin side down into a hot pot. Let it cook undisturbed for about 8 to 10 minutes per side until it's golden brown and building that deep flavor. Once both sides are nicely browned, remove the chicken and set it aside. I'll bring it back in later. In the same pot, add your diced onion. Let it cook 6 to 8 minutes until it softens and starts to caramelize. Next, in goes the yellow bell pepper. Cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes to bring out a little sweetness. Add your minced garlic and let it saute for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Now, add your chopped Roma tomatoes and cook them down for 3 to 5 minutes until softened and broken down. Take the pan off the heat before adding your paprika. This step is important. Paprika can burn quickly in hot oil and turn bitter. Stir it into the base off heat to keep that rich, sweet flavor intact. Pour in your chicken stock and bring everything to a low simmer. Taste for seasoning. Depending on your stock, you may need a little bit of extra salt and pepper. Return the chicken to the pot, cover and let it simmer on low for about 35 to 45 minutes. Dark meat takes a little bit longer, but that's where the flavor is. You're looking for about 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius for perfectly tender chicken. Once it's done, remove the chicken again and set it aside while we finish the sauce. In a bowl, combine sour cream and flour until smooth. Add a few spoonfuls of the hot cooking liquid to temper it. This keeps the sauce from breaking. Stir it back into the pot and let it simmer 5 to 7 minutes until thickened and creamy. Add the chicken back in and let it warm through, coating it in that rich paprika sauce. Serve it over egg noodles, finished with green onions and a dollop of sour cream. This is simple, traditional cooking done right, and it never disappoints. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.